Hey babe, and welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be doing the viral French roll hairstyle, and I'm so excited to try this look today. This is like one of those 90s inspired styles. I love the nostalgic hairstyles, and I'm so glad that they are coming back. Now I am working on blow dried and then flat iron hair. I just recently actually cut my hair because I had a lot of split ends, and I'm actually going back on my hair care journey. So if you want to follow my hair journey, consider subscribing to my channel so you can see all the fun hairstyles that I do on this channel. So I am working on short to medium length hair. So to start, we are going to start parting out our bang area, and we're just going to make a U shape. For today, I'm not looking for like precision or a perfect part. I'm just making sure that I get that hair out of the way. And I am an edges girl. So I'm going to take out a little bit more than edges. I'm going to take out some of my hair because I am going to curl it because I really want that effortless curl look. I'm not using any harsh gel or anything. I really want this to be very flowy. I didn't want like a lot of spritz and sprays. I wanted it to look very effortless and very natural. So I'm taking out a little bit more hair than I typically would for edges, just so I can achieve that look. And I'm just twisting those pieces away because, honey, I cannot braid. I'm a twisting girl. So that's what we are going to do, and then we are going to get started on the French roll.
Ceiling fan blowing cold breeze on your body. I can't tell you really what it is, but you got it. Makeup in the morning, you got dresses in your closet, but you grab them tight, you in love with being modest. You a mood body giving interviews. I'm just saying I'm amused.
Now I am using this hair from this brand called Rebold. This is actually my first time using this hair, and I loved it because it was a yaki texture, which we all know when it comes to natural hair, yaki texture is kind of like the best texture to actually blend with our natural hair. So that is the hair that I'm gonna be using today.
You ain't even flexing. And you cool, tatted up, cover wounds, different vibe, you know improve. But you ain't even flexing, and you ain't gotta try too hard. Number one fan yourself.
Now, as you can see, I have split my hair. Literally, I have made a part down the middle of my head. So I'm going to take the weave that I have here, and I'm just going to start measuring out kind of the same way that I do my quick weaves. If you have seen my quick weaves, I will leave some in the cards up here for y'all. But you just want to measure out that hair, cut it, and actually I'm not going to be using glue because I am going to be using clip ends today, and I'm actually going to sew them on to each weft.
Got me think about inside the walls. Words got deep, it's like.
As you can see here, I'm showing you guys how I did the first one off camera, and now I'm actually going to sew the other one on camera so you guys can see how I do it. But I'm really been into like my hair care lately. I'm going to be doing more hairstyles for y'all, and I did not want to put too much product on my hair to actually have to wash it and blow it out and do that whole like process again. So I want to manipulate my hair as less as possible so that I can just bring you guys some beautiful hairstyles that you can actually do at home on your own. But right now I'm just showing you guys how I sew on that clip. Just in case you want to do your own clip-ins at home, you can get an affordable pack of weave. These 12 pack of clips don't cost a lot, and you can actually make your own clip-ins as well. If you guys want to see a more in-depth video about that, I'll be happy to show you guys that. Just comment below and let me know if that is something that you're interested in seeing. If you're someone who also you don't want to put glue in your hair, clip-ins are a great alternative to that.
Words got deep, it's like a sword. Making me better, you hotter than pepper. You with a big stepper who chasing a cheddar. All of these women, they not on your level. You like a mix of business and pleasure. You a mood body giving interviews. I'm just saying I'm amused, but you ain't even flexing. And you cool, tatted up, cover wounds, different vibe, you know improve. But you ain't even flexing. 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 But you ain't even flexing.
I feel the warmth of your skin. I feel the touch of your hand.
So we have the first one in. and secure. So now I'm just going to place it right in that parting space that we left out, as you can see here. Now, as far as placement, basically you want to lay your tracks in the direction that you're going to be actually rolling your French roll, if that makes any sense. Okay, so if you want your French roll to go to the right, you're going to place your tracks laying down, going to the right side. I actually wanted my French roll to be facing my left hand, so I am placing all of my tracks going in that direction. And then we're just going to repeat that step 2 more times. So we're only going to be using about 3 tracks for this style, not a lot. This was so easy and quick to do. Anybody can do this if you have to do like a quick hairstyle for any type of event or special occasion. I love this hairstyle and it's extremely elegant and very classy, and you can do it in no time. So guys, just watch what I'm doing, and then I'm going to come back and we are going to do the bangs.
Love you with all of my heart, makes me tremble within. Love the smell of your hair. I'm here in my bed. Without your love, I am out of place. And without you, I am just a trace. I wanna be with you always, 'cause that is what my heart says. I wanna be with you always, 'cause that is what my heart.
Now I'm just going to go through and I'm just pulling my hair up to make sure that those tracks are covered and I can move on to the bang. So this is a great time to decide if you want a middle part or a side part and which side you want it on. I was kind of going back and forth about this because I'm a middle part girly. I love a middle part. But all in all, I did decide to go with a nice bang that was going to be facing my right side. So I'm going to go through and just start preparing my hair.
I wanna be with you always, always, 'cause that is what my heart says. Sparkle in your.
And I'm going to be using actually these flat, non-bulky spring wig clips actually. So I went for wig clips because I really wanted a very flat install in the front. So I'm really just going to repeat that process, you guys. I'm going to take some more of my weave and I'm actually going to be sewing those on to the weave as well. Also, I decided to use my wig clips and my clip-ins really because I want to start preserving my weave as well. I be buying a lot of weave, honey, and I'm getting to the point where I just want to be more resourceful with my purchases. And I don't want to be throwing away my bundles or my weave, even if it is affordable. Pack hair can get expensive if you are continuously buying it, like myself, for videos like this for y'all. So I really wanted to preserve this hair. It's a really good brand. So that's why I also opted to use my clip-ins and my wig clip. So to begin, I'm just going to start parting my hair again to see exactly where I'm going to place those wig clips. And I'm going to show you guys exactly how I sew these on as well. And it's so super simple. I wanted to really create a video where it's showing you guys how simple these looks can be, especially as a beginner. But one thing you need to know that when you are using clip-ins for a more secure install, you can also create small cornrows in between so that the clip-ins will have something to hold on to. I did not do that in this video, obviously. But if you really want more security, definitely create some cornrows so those wig clips has something to kind of stick into and they won't move. Mine were pretty secure and did not move, and I kept this hairstyle in for a few days, so I was totally fine without the cornrows. And I love how this look is already looking extremely seamless. You can't see any tracks or anything. So for my first time, so I was really proud of how everything was turning out and how my natural hair was really blending in with the weave.
Wanna be with you always, always, 'cause that is what my heart says. I'm in a better place. I know I'm in a better, I know I'm in a better, I know I'm in a better place. I'm in a better.
Now you guys, we are going to get started on the actual French roll, and I am going to go in with my beeswax just to smooth out those hairs in the back. Now, if you want a really secure French roll, you can actually put this all over your hair, along with using a little bit of hairspray. But today I'm just going to be using that beeswax, and then we're just going to start smoothing our hair over, and I'm going to be securing it with a few bobby pins. And you just want to pull all of your hair toward the middle of your head and then start securing your hair. And it will look similar to this. Now I did pick up this foam hair bun. It's curved like just like a French roll, but it actually was too long for me to use. But this is an option for people with probably longer hair. So I opted just to actually go get some just hair that I had left over. But one thing that I want you guys to know, and I don't want you to make this mistake, is the hair that I'm using is not the same color as my natural hair, which I don't know, that's probably obvious. Just went and just grabbed some hair that I had left over. But make sure that you are using hair that is definitely the color of your natural hair, because the brown, that light brown copper color, was really sticking out when I was trying to actually make my French roll. And for the actual French roll, you guys, make sure that you are using open hairpins, not the closed ones. Also, this is a pretty simple technique. Just go get some leftover hair, start pinning it with those open hairpins, and it will stay, you guys. It will stay. And now we're just going to start creating that French roll. And the key to creating this French roll is honestly take your time. Do not try to rush through the process, and just slowly take your time, especially if you want a seamless look. Now, I'm okay with hair doing what hair does. You know, to me, hair does not have to be so stiff. Okay with a little it not being perfect and precise, because I think that's just how natural hair it should flow. But if you want that look, I would say take your time, use more product like hairspray or something to that effect. But for me, I was okay with just kind of wrapping my hair around and letting it move and be shaped in the way that it would naturally be shaped into this French roll. But I would say this yucky texture really blended well with my hair, and I will actually be purchasing this again for another video that I will be doing. So make sure you guys subscribe to my channel, because I have a lot more videos coming soon, more hair videos and fashion videos as well. Now I'm giving you guys a view of the other side, and now we're just going to keep tucking that hair and tucking and pinning as much as we can until we get the results that we are looking for. And then I'm going to go through and I'm actually going to start curling some of the hair that is left out along with my bang as well. Now, if you want to know what kind of flat iron I'm using, you guys, make sure that you look in the description box for all the products that I use in this video. I always keep all my information down in the description box, so please make sure that you guys check that out for any products that I don't actually mention within this video. And without you, I am just a trace. I wanna be with you always, 'cause that is what my heart says. I wanna be with you always, 'cause that is what my heart says. I wanna be with you always, always, 'cause that is what my heart says. Sparkle in your, I wanna be with you always, always, 'cause that is what my heart says. I'm in a better place. I know I'm in a better, I know I'm in a better, I know I'm in a better place. I'm in a better. Now I'm gonna go in and start curling my leave out. just going to be using my Got To Be. This is the Flex Insta Hold. It's not the strongest hold, but it will do. And I'm going to use like this Edge old toothbrush. If you know, you know. To kind of lay down the hair to like my liking and to create that desired look. You guys probably wouldn't even know I was creating this video during a crazy lightning and thunderstorm. So the whole time I was like praying that the lights did not go off. You guys have to let me know what you think down in the description box. As far as the bang, I actually decided to pin up some of the hair because it's very versatile. You can do so much more with this look with the French roll. And I love this look. And if you enjoyed this video as well, you guys, like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. You guys make sure you stay to the end of this video so you can see more helpful videos like this. But until next time, you guys, thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next one.